Hi, Mohammed. I'm Sindhu Padmati, your speaking partner for today at Clap and Go. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Sultanpur, UP. It's nearby
Okay.
Lucknow.
Okay, I see. What do you do?
Ma'am, I have completed my graduation in 2019, and
Hmm.
then I have started my own business,
Hmm.
and now I have my own shop.
Oh, that's great. Nice.
And
So, Mohammed,
as well, I teach.
hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me,
Yes,
what do you teach?
yes. I have my own YouTube channel,
Hmm.
and I teach translation.
That's amazing. Yeah. So, very good. That's a very nice job. You're helping people, and we would also like to contribute to that. So, you want to be a fluent speaker so that you can help others learn as well, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Definitely, Mohammed. You have come to the right place. I'll be happy to help you with that. So this is a very good platform for even like if you want to help your learners learn English, you
yes,
can also help it through
yes, ma'am.
your video as well. Have you watched any of our videos on YouTube?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know how it is.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. So if you have seen it, if you have watched the videos, you know you have an idea as to how the classes are like. It's a fun, interactive session. You speak, and as you speak, you're being observed, and you get some learning through that conversation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
uh,
tell me.
yes, ma'am. Please, please, yes, ma'am.
You tell me first, because if
Please, you
I
say.
start, I have lots to tell you. So I'll keep telling. So you first ask me, what do you want to ask?
If you ask me why do I learn, why do I want to learn English?
Hmm.
So, ma'am, I can tell you
Hmm.
because I want to improve my communication skills, and I want to teach how to speak English in my
Hmm.
area, ma'am. Because
Hmm.
there is no any institution who
Hmm.
provide speaking English.
Hmm.
So I want to do that.
Very good. Very nice thought, Mohammed. Keep it up. Yeah, definitely we'll support you for that. Okay. So what we are going to do is that in order to make you
Thank you, ma'am.
fluent, we'll give you a lot of speaking practice. So first of all, when you join a session, we'll give you a topic to discuss on. And as you speak on the topic, we'll observe you.
Yes, ma'am.
You may have difficulty in framing the right
Yes, ma'am.
sentence, using the right vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, your confidence, fluency. All these will be observed by the tutors here. And what we'll do is that we'll guide you. It's a guided discussion. We'll give you hints and tips. We'll correct you when you go wrong. So when this happens in each and every session, then your English will have an overall improvement. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And these sessions are one on one
So,
as
ma'am,
you watched. Yeah, tell me.
yes, yes, ma'am. Can I ask you how much time will it take to learn, yeah, or become fluent in English?
Hmm. It depends from person to person, Mohammed. See, most of the people whom I've observed, they're able to learn in 3 months. That's majority. But it depends. If you're a fast learner,
Yes,
you can learn in 3 months. If you're medium, if you're medium learner, you need 6 months. If you are a slow learner, then you need 9 months to 12 months, right? So it depends from person to person. So that's the
yes,
reason we don't fix it. It's your choice, however you feel. Say, for example, if you're going for a 3 months course and after the 3 months you're feeling very confident, you may stop. But if you feel you need more practice, you can add on.
yes, ma'am. And ma'am, there is one thing that I want to ask you. Uh,
Hmm.
I want to record my conversation and upload on YouTube. So that is
Hmm.
possible or impossible?
Yeah, it is possible. So you just have to send a message on your app. There'll be a link which says chat. So on the chat support, if you message them, they will actually guide you through that. You can upload your videos because there are a lot of learners who are doing that because they want to help others learn through their platform. And for that, you also get a reward. You get 100 cash back on your wallet. You get it in your wallet,
Yes.
and then you can use that 100 cash back for buying other future sessions with us. You can do that. All the information will be given on the app. Everything is given on the app.
And so
Yeah.
I can't understand from where I have to start.
Okay, you don't have to worry about that. We'll take care of it. We are well organized. We have a session plan. So once you book the session, we send you the session notes. It will be sent to your app, and that will have information like the topic that's going to be discussed, vocabulary, grammar practice materials, reading materials, and idioms that you can use in your daily life. And all that will be sent prior to the session. One copy will be sent to you, one copy will be sent to the tutor. So both of you know what's going to be discussed during the session. At any point of time, if you want to change the topic, you can tell the tutor and change the topic to the topic of your own choice. And if you have any doubts, you can clear it with your tutor during the session.
Um, uh, as we know, this is a demo class. So in this demo class, I want to know, ma'am. I am teaching translation. So please, I accept from you. Please teach me how to teach translation deeply, ma'am.
Okay, how to teach translation? See, there's no particular.
Because there are lots of YouTube channel, ma'am, on
Hmm.
YouTube. There are lots of English teacher and they teach, but I want to know advanced, ma'am, advanced way teaching.
Hmm. What I would like to say is that, Mohammed, see, sometimes I've observed some people trying to translate just as they speak their regional language. Okay, but that doesn't happen in English. In English, there's a different format. Like, for example, in Hindi, if they say, if somebody has to say, they'll say, "Subah subah hum ghumne jate hain." Okay, so in English, we can't translate it same like that. We can't say morning, morning, I go for a walk, right? It'll be
Yes, ma'am.
different.
Yes.
So we have to follow the format of subject, verb, and object in a sentence. So first the subject, next the verb, after that the object. SVO, subject, verb, object, right? So I am the subject. I'm talking about myself. That will be in the first place. I go for a walk. Going is my action. That's verb. That will be in the middle part of the sentence. Walking is the exercise, name of the exercise. So that will be towards the end. So subject, verb, object. This is the way you have to tell someone to translate. It can't be literally translated. Like even I've heard many people saying many trees are there. That can't be used because many trees are there is not correct. What's the right way? Can you tell me?
There are there
Yeah.
are many things there.
Yeah, there are many trees. Yeah, that's
In
correct.
this, ma'am, in this sentence, I think there is like we use it as a subject.
Correct. We are talking about the existence. So we are saying there are. What are there? There are many trees, right? In Hindi, if we have to say both paid hai, so for that existence, we are saying hai, right? But in English, that will come towards the beginning. There are many trees.
There is many things. And ma'am, there is I have a question for you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, subscriptions. Yes,
Definitely. We'll be
yes, ma'am.
happy to help you with that. Yeah. So, Mohammed,
Yes, ma'am.
after the session, there'll be a message sent to you. Now, the session is almost going to end, right? So, there'll be a
Yes, ma'am.
WhatsApp message to you that will have the details of the subscription plan. So, you go through
Yes,
that
yes.
and choose whichever is best for you. You can choose that. And there's also a discount offer right now for the early bird. That is, if you're enrolling in the next 12 hours, you can get a 10% discount. And for that, there's a discount code. And this is the discount code that I've typed in the chat box. You can take a screenshot or you can note it or you can copy it. You can do that.
Yes.
So, yeah, we are very flexible. So you can choose your own tutor. You can choose your own session plan. You can choose your own timing because we are open 24/7. Frequency also you can choose whether, see, the duration is 15 minutes or half an hour. So you choose whether you want 15 minutes or half an hour. And then frequency, whether you want daily or monthly. I'm sorry, not monthly. Daily or weekly once, weekly twice, weekly thrice. Like that, you get all the choices. So according to your choice, you can enroll.
Yes.
If you have further doubts on the app, there's a chat support. So if you type there, you'll get, you can type your query, they'll respond back to you. Like even uploading the videos I told you, you can check with them, they'll reply, they'll tell you the format, okay? And
Yes, ma'am.
um, regarding the classes, the booking, I mean the subscription, the counselors also can contact you after this demo session. So you, if you have any further doubts, you can also ask them.
Thank you.
Any other doubts or queries, Mohammed?
I think time is over.
We have just 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, if you want to ask something, we can. We have a buffer time of 5 minutes. That's the reason.
Yes, ma'am.
So only 3 minutes left.
I can't understand. What should
In
I
three,
ask you?
yeah, okay. In 3 minutes, you don't know what to say, right? But don't worry. As you join our sessions, Mohammed, you'll have a good time. You can clear all your doubts and queries. We have various scenarios to discuss with you. Like one day we'll discuss your past experiences. So your past tense will be checked and corrected. One day your future tense, future related topic will be given. One day present scenario. One day hypothetical situation. So imaginary situation will be given where you just have to imagine yourself and speak about it. So that will improve your creative thinking. Then one day
Yes,
we'll give you role play, one day story narration. So there are plenty of activities. Okay. We also are so flexible that if somebody has to practice for an interview, they tell us to do mock interview sessions, and we also do that. A lot of things. Doctors come here, they say they want to practice for speech and anything.
yes, ma'am. I know how to speak in Hindi, and when I know little, I have little knowledge about grammar, but
Hmm.
whenever it comes to speak in English in front of anyone, that time mind is got is my blind.
Mine
Can't
goes
speak that.
blank.
I can't.
Okay.
That time we could not understand on which topic we can talk.
Hmm. So you need practice,
That is
Mohammed,
the
because
problem. Yes, ma'am.
yeah,
That is the
until you,
problem, and I have a lot of hesitation, ma'am. Last year I took offline classes, English classes, and
hmm.
there I learned so many things. But because of some financial problem, I left that.
Okay.
But I thought we have to learn English somehow.
Yeah. That's good. Mohammed, here definitely you'll be fluent because the more you practice, all the words will come out. If you don't practice, though you know the words, it will remain in your mind. Okay. And here you get to meet new people. So you'll be able to remove that hesitation. So this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
right platform. It's unlike other organizations where they give just lectures and you keep listening to lectures, but it's not like that. Here it's all practical learning. Whatever wherever you
Yes,
go
ma'am. Here,
wrong, correct you.
yes, ma'am. Here we get chance to speak.
Hmm. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So, Mohammed, we have come to the end of the session. Now it will get disconnected. So, I thank you for joining today and hope to see you in a class. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Have a
Good evening.
wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.